Okay, so here's my DIY fireplace.
Yeah.
I use like $1 sponge as the fire. And I sort of like stuck a toilet paper roll up.
Me did that.
Yeah. I just lined the inside of the box. This is like actually a box from a Christmas present that my parents sent. And I had some red paint laying around and a sponge, so I was like, oh my gosh, I should make a cardboard fireplace. So I painted the box white. On the sides I used paper.
Hey.
I put some red sponge. And then I had these paint sticks from a previous project, and I just sort of placed them over the top and put some
And me added this
brown. Yep, you added a sticker. And I have not a candle, but like from Halloween. It's like from Dollar Tree, and I thought about being able to stick it in there, but I still haven't got batteries. So you could even like have a light if you wanted to.
Me want a light.
I know you do. So there's my cheap little free box fireplace. I'm pretty sure you could make it with anything.
It's something right here.